From the rolling hills of Lawrence County, Tennessee, this is Hoyt's Kitchen with Hoyt and Susie Tidwell.
Good morning. Welcome to Hoyt's Kitchen. Come on in, have a seat, and we're going to show you today how to make some barbecued chicken. Barbecue chicken, Crockpot style. You can find it on page 60 of my cookbook. Here is what my cookbook looks like. It's volume 1. There's the address that you can order it, or you can we've got several more of these books. If you want to call and order one, you can at 931-629-4869. So we're going to get started making this crockpot barbecue. And I'm going to wash my hands, get my hands good and clean. And we'll get started. We've been having some rainy weather down this part of the country. First of all, it says 4 to 6 boneless chicken breasts. Well, I got 4. Susie and I won't eat no more than 4 unless some of those folks over there want to stay around for supper. They might be back for supper, honey. So we'll just place these in here. These are nice, nice chicken breasts. And then we're going to set this over here. And then it says a small bottle of ketchup. All right, if y'all seen me how I do my soup, when I pour my soup in my crock pot, this is an old ice pick. This ice pick is probably 100 years old. But you can punch a hole in the bottom. I thought you could, but well, it ain't gonna work. I punch a hole in the bottom of the aluminum can, but anyway, it says a small bottle of ketchup, but that plastic's a lot harder than the aluminum. But anyway, you put a small bottle of ketchup, and it says a small onion. So y'all have seen my little gadget. This little gadget. I've got some more gadgets coming. I'll have 5 of these gadgets. Anybody wants a little gadget?
Is that little?
Okay, got it. Got our onion in the gadget, and we're gonna chop this onion. So we got the onion chopped up in our gadget. So anyway, we're gonna put our onion in there. I've got 5 more of these gadgets will be here pretty soon. If the first 5 people want a gadget, they can get in touch with me. Small onion. Then a 10-ounce Coca-Cola. So you pour the Coca-Cola in here. It says place chicken, ketchup, onion, Coca-Cola, and then salt and pepper.
I think that's probably enough.
That's salt. And here's the pepper. All right, and then what it says, it says plug in, turn crock pot on low. So we're gonna move it over here, and we're gonna plug it in. and we're going to put it on low. And it's on low. All right, we got it cooking for 11 hours. So it says stir one time. Stir one time. So while I'm stirring this, Susie's gonna read your scripture.
Therefore, be imitators of God as dearly loved children. And that's in Ephesians 5:1.
All right, so you wanna come over.
Well, people don't like me to move the camera.
Well, just show them what that looks like. That's covered up with onion and Coca-Cola and salt and pepper and ketchup. So we're gonna cover it up, forget about it for 11 hours.
Well, it won't be 11 hours.
Well, anyway, it says
It'll be ready for supper.
cook, turn Crockpot to low setting, cook overnight or while at work. Serve chicken over bun or over rice. So I guess I'll ask Miss Susie how she'd like it. But I want everybody to like me on YouTube and subscribe and follow us on Facebook. And
it's just Hoyt's Kitchen.
Yeah, it's just Hoyt's Kitchen. Everything you can get is just Hoyt's Kitchen. So
when you go to YouTube, it's Hoyt's Kitchen.
so y'all can, I want everybody to get a cookbook, and all that's getting the cookbooks, I've sent 4 index cards in there for 4 recipes from you I'm trying to get another cookbook ready, a volume 2, and I think I'm gonna call it Hoyt and Friends, and we're gonna get that started here probably middle of February. So we'll be back when this is over, when this is done. Welcome back to Hoyt's Kitchen. We've had the barbecue chicken going for about 8 hours. It can be found on page 60 in our cookbook. It's very easy to make. Susie just reminded me that we made this back about 45 years ago when we moved in the stone house down here in West Point. I want you guys to like me and on YouTube, and subscribe to me on YouTube, and watch me on Facebook. And don't forget to buy you a cookbook. We got plenty more cookbooks, so we're gonna test this. I got my granddaughter up here, or 2 granddaughters. So we're gonna take some of this chicken up and see how we like it. Well, I can tell you it's tender. Get you a fork there, Miss Carol Lee. Oh man, this chicken just falls apart. I'm telling you. This is Carol Lee, my baby granddaughter, and Carol Lee Forsythe.
This is hot.
Well, it just come out of steaming. Yeah, it's hot.
That's good.
Okay.
10 out of 10 review.
All right, we're gonna try it and see.
You need to blow on it.
That's very good. That would be good on a bun. It would.
Mm-hmm.
So
I had mine over rice.
yeah, Susie got in there about an hour ago.
I did. I couldn't wait.
She had to have some over rice. So anyway, we're gonna. Yeah. It's really really tender. It's got a real unique taste to it. So,
Well, this is, you know, like Hoyt was saying, we had this like 45 years ago. When you're poor and you didn't have much money and you didn't have very much in your cabinet, but if you had a small bottle of ketchup and a Coke, then you had something to put in your crock pot with your chicken, and that was all you needed. So there was always onions around.
yeah, it is very good. So, you folks, you can eat the rest of it there, Carol. We got plenty. We got plenty. So,
Yeah, we do.
you folks can try that, and you guys keep watching, and I'll keep cooking. God bless.